Hello, and welcome to the video lecture out on supertype subtype relationships and transforming them into relations. So we have spoken, or you should be familiar with supertypes and subtypes from chapter 3. So what we want to do is now we have to transform these into relations. This is fairly simple. This is really going to be an example. And again, I said it in previous videos that one-to-one relationships are not common, but certainly when you're talking about supertypes and subtypes, this is where one-to-one relationships are used almost exclusively. So let's take a look. Here we have our employee, right? So in this case, and in a previous video, we talked about employees and managers. Well, here we're talking about employees and different kinds of employees. Certainly an employee can have a relationship to itself, where we can denote managers of employees. In this case, what we've realized, or what the designers realized, is that we have attributes that are unique and can be broken out, not necessarily have to be broken out, but can be broken out into their own subtypes entities. So in this case, we've got a disjoint relationship, right? We've set up an employee type, so we actually have a subtype identifier, H, S, and C, associated with hourly employee, salaried employee, and consultants. So that's even a little bit of a review for chapter 3. So now what we want to do is how do we break this up into their associated relations, or and again eventually tables. So here we've got our employee. The employee has an employee number, the employee name, address, state hired, employee type. And then we have our hourly employee, our consultant, our salary employee, all of which are going to use the same employee number. So if I have an employee number 15 that's associated with the hourly employee, the H employee number is going to be 15 to show the rate. If I have an employee number, and maybe we're using social security numbers, so I have a 111111111 employee that's salaried, that salaried employee in the S employee number will be 111111111. And again, these are implemented as one-to-one relationships. In your project, you're probably not dealing, you're more than likely not dealing with supertypes and subtypes, because I probably steered you away from that, because this is a level of complexity that we don't need in our projects. But you will see this. This is very commonly implemented in real-world database implementations. And that is the end of my video lecture associated with mapping supertype and subtype relationships to relations.